Students, how are you? Today we'll solve November revision, Unit 3, Lesson 4 to Unit 5, Lesson 2. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 5 product by 5 by 5 by 5. It will be 5 power 4 because 5 times itself 4 times. 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. It will be 5 power 4. Choose the result will be what? 5 power 4. So we must choose letter C. Write 4 up here in the power. The base 5 and the power 4. Next question, number 2, the base in the exponential expression 9 power 2, it will be 9. 9 here, we call this the base, but 2, we call this the power. Next question, number 3, 2 power 3, it will be 2 by 2, 2. 2 times itself 3 times. Next question, number 4, 5 squared, meaning 5 power 2. 5 squared, 5 power 2. Questions number 5, 8 cubed, it's meaning 8 power 3. It's 8 cubed. Question number 6. The squared added to 5 cubed. The squared added to 5 cubed. Squared here, it's meaning power 2. Added to 5 cubed. The square is 3 squared. Sorry, 3 squared. 3 squared, it's meaning 3 power 2. Added to, it's meaning plus 5 cubed. 5 power 3. Again, 3 squared, 3 power 2. Added to 5 cubed. Choose the result. Letter B. Next question number 7. First operation in your perform in 20 divided by 5 plus 7 subtract by 2 all power 2 is what? Parentheses first. We can find the result in parentheses subtraction. The first operation here in parentheses subtraction. The first operation shows letter B. Used here subtraction first. Okay, what about the result about this example? If you want to find the result, we can write 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. 5 minus 2, it will be 7 minus 2, it will be 5 power 2. Then the first operation here, it will be subtract. Because we must do the brackets first, parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. The first operation here, parentheses. The first operation we must do here in the brackets here, 7 minus 2, it will be 5. Okay, and the second step, 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. Because 4 plus 5 power 2, it will be 25. Then parentheses first, exponent next, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 power 2, 25. And then division, 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 plus 25, it will be 29. Then you must choose it or be subtraction first. Next question, number 8. The first operation in this example, we have expression, question 8. We have 6 plus 12, subtract by 2, product by 2 power 2. The first operation here, we must choose what? Power 2. Write exponent first. Choose letter D. Parentheses first, exponent next. Exponent here, it will mean 2 power 2. It's exponent. Exponent. So the first operation in this expression, exponent. Choose letter D. And the result here, 6 plus 12, subtract by 2, product 2 by 2, or 2, 4. Then 6 plus 12, subtract 2 times 4, it will be 8. Then 6 plus 12, 18, minus 8, the result will be 10. Okay. Next question number 9. We have example and we want to find the result about this example. We have questions number 9. 24 divided by 2 power 3 plus 1. 24 divided by 2 power 3, 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 8 plus 1. And then 24 divided by 8 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then the result here will be 4. Question number 10. we have 2s plus 1 equal 5 represent equation, because the equation is equality between two expressions using the sign between them. We call that equation 2s plus 1 equal 5. It's equation. Question 11. The value of the expression 5n minus 2 for n equal 1. Put n equal 1 in this expression. We have 5 product by n minus 2. Put n equal 1, then the result will be 5 product by 1 minus 2. 5 times 1, it will be 5. Subtract by 2, 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Next example, questions number 12. What expression is the equivalent to x plus 10? The expression in equivalent here, 2x plus 10, equivalent to what? We can write 2 height common factor between two expressions. 2 and 2x divided by 2, it will be x. And 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Then 2 here, we call that height common factor between them. Then we must choose letter A about this example. Next question. Question 13. All the following expressions are equivalent except we have 4x plus 8. Equivalent to what? We can write height common factor between two numbers. It will be 4. And then 4x divided by 4, it will be x. And 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Or you can write the height common factor between two terms here, 2. 4x divided by 2, it will be 2x. And 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. So the result will be 2 times 2x plus 4. Or 4 product x plus 2. So we must choose letter C to false. We have 4 product by x plus 4. It's wrong. So you must choose letter C, because we asked about the wrong answer. All the following expressions are equivalent except what? Except letter C, because letter E equivalent letter B equivalent letter D. By write the height common factor is the first step, and second step we can write 4 outside, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So you must choose letter C, because letter C not equivalent. If you are using distributive properties, 4 times x, it will be 4x, and 4 times 4 equals 16. It's not equivalent 4x plus 8. Next, question number 15. If x minus 3, it will be 5, then the value of x here, it will be 8, because 8 minus 3, it will be 5. Question 16. If 3a equal 12, then the value of a equal 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Then the value of a equal 4. 17. If x over 2 equal 3, then x will be 6. 6 over 2 equal 3. Okay, then the value of x here, it will be 6. Next question. Number 18. If x plus 3 equal 5, then the value of x equal 2. But he won't find 3x. 3x, it's unique 3 product by 2, it will be 6. And the result here, it will be 6, because he asked about 3x. If he asked about x only, then the result will be 2. But in this example, the result will be 6, because asked about 3x. Next question. Question number 19. If 80 subtracted by m equals 15, then the value of m here, we can write 80 subtracted by 15, because 80 here is the median and m subtrahend. To find the result of subtrahend, you must find the difference between the median and the difference. So we can find the difference. 10 minus 5, it will be 5, and 7 minus 1 equals 6. Then the result will be 65. Question number 20. If x plus x equal 12, then the value of x equal what? We can 8x plus x, it will be 2x. 2x equal 12, and then we can divide it by 2. So the value of x, it will be 6. Question 21. Which of the following an equality? Equality is equations, but like equation. But we must use the sign more than or less than or equal to. This sign, or this sign, or this sign. Okay? So the equality, we can use here letter C. X less than 7. It's a relation between two expressions by using this sign, less than or greater than or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. It's an equality, okay? Relation between two expressions by using this sign. Okay. Next question, number 12. Sorry, 22. Okay, the equality represent negative numbers here. It will be x less than 0. X less than 0, it's negative. Choose letter C. It's negative, okay? Next question, number 23. Space is one of solution x less than negative 1. Which number less than negative 1? It will be negative 2. Choose letter C about question 23. Questions 24. 2 cubed subtracted from 5 squared. 5 squared, it will be 5 power 2. Subtract by 2 cubed. 2 cubed, it's mean 2 power 3. Then the cube subtracted, the cube or 2 cubed. 2 cubed subtracted from 5 squared, it will be 5 power 2 subtracted by 2 power 3. Because 5 power 2 is 7 and 2 power 3 it's subtrahend. So the difference between them, we can find it as you like, but his example, he won't find, choose this image, 5 power 2 subtract by 2 power 3, it will be 25 subtract by 8, and then find the result will be 17. If you want to complete this, but choose letter C. Next question, 25. The equation x minus 3, it will be 1. He won't find half of x. Here, x minus 3, it will be 1, then the value of x, it will be 4. Because 4 minus 3, it will be 1. And then we can find the value of half of value of x. Half of x, put x equal 4 here, then half of 4, it will be 2. Next question, 26. The number space is one of solution of x less than or equal to 4, where less than negative 1. Negative 1 is less than negative 4. Choose letter B, okay? Next question. Question 27. All the following a solution of inequality x less than negative 1, except what? Except negative. He asked about solution, but all the following solution except what? Except negative 1, because negative 1 equal to negative 1, not less than, okay? Choose letter D. Questions 28. In y equal 2x plus 1, then the dependent here, it will be y. Y, we called it dependent. It's dependent, okay? Dependent here, y. But x, we called it independent. So the result, y. Okay, choose letter D. Choose letter D. Next question. Number 29. In the equation 5x plus 3 equal y, the dependent variable here, it will be y. Y, we called it dependent. Choose letter B. Y is dependent. Question 30. If x equal y, x equal 3y minus 2. The independent here will be y. Y, we called it independent. We called it independent. Next question. Number 31. In the equation m equal 5n plus 3, the independent variable here n. In here we called it independent. Choose letter C about independent. Question 32. The independent variable in the equation y equals 4x. Independent here it will be x. X independent. Choose letter B. Choose letter B. Next question. 33. The production F depends on the number of working hours W. Then the independent variable would be what? He asked about production if depends on the number of working hours W. Okay, then the independent variable will be what? Because F equals the number of hours W, like that he worked 2 hours in the day, then the independent here it will be W, because F here depends on what? W. Okay, then the total depends on W here. W is the number of working hours. If he worked 3 hours, then the total it will be F equals 3 product by W. Then the independent here, look at this word depend on. Depend on, it's meaning independent. Independent formal what? W. Because F depended on W. Choose letter B. Choose letter B because B depend on W. Next question. Number 34. The reflection shape that represents the equation y equal fifth x. He asked about what? Relationship that represents the equation y equal fifth x where divided by p by 5 or multiply by 5 or add 5 or subtraction. Relation present equations y equal fifth 5, it's meaning y equal x divided by 5. Then we must use here divide by. It's meaning divided by 5. Okay, choose letter E. Understood? Fifth 5, it's meaning x divided by 5. So divided by 5. 35. Y equals the product of x and 3 represent what? Y equal the product of x and 3, it will be 3x. Choose letter B. Question 36. Y is 4 times x. Y equal 4 times x added to 5. Okay, 4x added to 5. Question 37. Double x, it's meaning 2 product by x, added to 3 and then equals 13. The result will be 2x plus 3 equals 13. Okay, choose letter B about this question. Next example. Number 38. In the equation y equals 6x minus 2, the variable y represents space here. Y we called it dependent or independent. We have here output. We called it y here output or dependent. It's output. Y equals 6x minus 2. We called y here dependent or output. Choose letter B. We called it output. Output here, it will be letter B about question 38. And 39. If t equal 5r, then t here we called it output or dependent. T here we called it dependent or output. Choose letter E. Question 40. If y equal 3x and x was equal 5, then we can find the value of y. Put x equal 5, 3 times 5 equal 15. The value of y equal 15. Question 41. In the equation y equal 2x plus 4, if x equal 5, we can find the value of y. Y equal 2x, it's meaning 2 product by 5 equal 10. Plus 4, then the value of y equal 14. Letter B. Next question 42. In the equation y equal x plus 1, if the output is 1, then the input will be what? Okay, look at here about this example number 42. He gives us the relation between y and x. This equation, y equal x plus 1. He gives us the output will be 1. 1 here, it's output. Then the input here, it will be 0 because 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then the result will be 0. Choose letter A. Next question 43. We have point 2 and space satisfies the equation here, y equal x plus 1. Okay, this point 2 and space satisfies equation, put x equal to here. X will be equal to, then the value of y equals 3. Then we must write 3 in the space. Choose letter C. Question 44. The ordered order here, 5 and space, satisfies the equation y equal to x plus 3. Put here in this equation the value of x here 5. Then y equal 2 product by 5 plus 3. Then the value of y equal 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 3 equal 30. The value of y here will be 30. Choose letter B. Questions 45. If y equal 7 plus x, then the point space and 10 satisfies. Put y equal 10 here in this equation. Then 10 will be equal 7 plus x. Then the value of x here, it will be 3. The value here, it will be 3. Choose letter B. Next page. Number 46. All of the following are solutions of equality x less than 3 except what? X less than 3. Here we have numbers what? Less than -1. It will be -1 because -1 greater than -3. Choose letter C about this question. Next example 47. If 3x equals 6, then the value of x it will be what? 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Choose letter A. 48. Space is one of the solution x less than 2. Here, x less than 2 of the natural number. He asked about natural number 1. Because 1 belonging into natural number. Choose letter A. Questions 49. 7 cubed added to 5. 7 cubed is meaning 7 power 3. Added to 5. It's b plus 5. Question 50. The independent variable in the equation A equal 3b plus 1. The independent here b. b is the independent. Choose letter B. Questions 51. If y equal 1 plus 2x, then the point here and 7 satisfies this rule. We can put the value of x equal what? Because y will be 7. 2 times what? 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 6 plus 1 equals 7. And the value of x here, it will be 3. Because 2x equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the value of x here equals 3. Choose letter C about question. Question 51. Okay. Next question 52. 0, 1, 2 are some solution of equality what? X less than or equal to. The solution set will be 0, 1, and 2 in natural number because the solution subset of natural number. Okay. Choose about 0, 1 less than or equal to. Choose letter B. Questions 53. Which of the following expression has the same value of 3x plus 5 at x equals 3? We can write 3x plus 5. Put the value of x equal what? x equal 3, then the value of expression will be, raise the value, will be equal what? 3 times 3, it will be 9, 9 plus 5, it will be 14. Okay. He asked about equivalent, which is the result equivalent. This example, if we put x equals 3 in this example, 3 power 2, it will be 9, 9 plus 5 equal 14. It shows letter D. Because x power 2 plus 5 is equivalent at x equal 3. Then the value will be what? 3 power 2 plus 5. 3 power 2, 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Next question. Complete the following. Number 1. In 7 power 3, the base here, it will be 7. And the exponent, it will be 2. 7 power 2, it will be 7 by 7. Questions number 2. 9 by 9 by 9 by 9. 4 times, it will be 9 power 4. Question number 3. 10 power 3 equal 10 by 10 by 10. The result will be 1000. Question 4. 20 divided by 4 plus 3 product by 5 minus 5. It's order operation. We know parentheses first, exponent the next, multiplication and division is the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side, right hand side, first come, first serve. Then the result here, 20 divided by 4, it will be 5. And 3 times 5, it will be 15. Subtract by 5. 5 plus 15, it will be 20. 20 minus 5, the result will be 15. Number 6. Number 5. 3 power 2 plus 4 in brackets divided by 13. Parentheses first, exponent the next. 3 power 2, it will be 9. 9 plus 4, it will be 13. 13 by 13 divided by 13, it will be 1. Question number 6. The value is the expression 2x plus 3 at x equal 5. What x equal 5 here? 2 by 5, 10. 10 by last 3, it will be 13. The result will be 13. Next question number 7. If k plus 1 it will be 5, then the value of k minus 3, we know k plus 1 it will be 5, then k will be 4. 4 plus 1 it will be 5. He won't find what? K minus 3, then we can put the value of k here, 4. 4 minus 3, it will be what? It will be 1. Then the result here, it will be 1. Next question, number 8. We have m minus 2, it will be 7. Then m plus 1 equal what? M minus 2, it will be 7. Then the value of m, it will be 9. Because 9 minus 2, it will be 7. And then put 9 here. Then m plus 1 equal 10. Then the result will be 10. Put 10 in the space here. 9 plus 1 equal 10. Question number 9. If x equal 0, then 21x, it's meaning 21 product by 0, it will be 0. Question number 10. If 2 over 5x equal 2 over 5, then the value of x here 1. 1 here we call it multiplicative identity. Then the value of x, it will be 1. Questions 11. If 6y equal 18, we can find the value of third y. 6 times y equal 18. Then the value of y here, it will be what? It will be third. Understood? 3. Okay. We want to find third y. We can find the value of y. 6 product by what equal 18? 6 times 3 equal 18. Then third product by 3, it will be 1. Then third y, it will be 1. Understood? 6y equal 18. Then the value of y will be what? 6 times 3 equal 18. Then the value of y equals 3. Y here equals 3. Then third product by 3, it will be 1. So the value here, it will be 1. Write 1 in the space. Okay, write 1. Next example, question 12. The dependent variable in the equation y equal 3x is. He asked about what? The dependent. The dependent here, it will be y. Why we called it dependent? Write y. Question 13. The dependent variable in the equation, it will be n. N is dependent and m independent. Next question 14. The dependent variable in the equation, dependent here, it will be a. A here dependent. A plus equal p plus 2, then a here dependent. Question 15. In the equation y equal x plus 1, the independent variable here x. X here we called it independent. Write x in the space. Next question, number 16. The independent variable in x equal 3y. The independent here y. Write y in the space. Question 17. If y equal 8x and x was equal 3, then the value of y equal 8 product by 3. It will be 24. And the value of x if y equal 24, right? 24 in the space. Next question 18. If y equal x minus 2 and x was equal 7, then the value of y equal 7 minus 2, in the value of y it will be 5. Y here will be 5. Next example. Question number 19. In the equation y equal 3x plus 1 and x was equal 4. In the value of y equal, put x equal 4, 3 times 4 it will be 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Next example. Question 20. If y equal half x plus 3, if x equals 6, then y would be what? Put x equals 6, half product by 6 plus 3. Half of 6, 3. 3 plus 3, it will be what? 6. Questions 21. The ordered pair y equal x plus 2, 3 and space, put x equal 3 here. 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Then the point here, it will be 3 and 5. Next question 22. We have 8 and space satisfies this equation. We have y equal 1 over 8x plus 3, but y equal x here, but 8. 8 times 8, it will be 1. Okay, 8x, 8, 1 over 8x, or 8x equal 1, 1, or 8 divided by 8, 1 plus 3, 4. Then the value of y here, it will be 4. Next question, number 23. As the smallest solution of the inequality x greater than or equal to negative 5, about smallest solution, it will be negative 5. Negative 5 is the smallest solution about this inequality. 24. The value is the expression 23 subtract by 2x at x equal 5. Put x equal 5 in this expression. The result will be 23 subtract by 2x, meaning 2 product by 5. Then we can write 23 subtract by 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the difference between them, it will be what? 3 minus 0 equals 3. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Then the result will be 13. Next question, 25. The value of the variable in the the equality x less than 1 of natural number is, he wants to find the solution in natural number. The value of variable x satisfies an equality. In the set natural number, it will be 0. The result here will be 0 because 0 belonging to a natural number. Understood? He asked about the solution in natural number, it will be 0 because 0 is than 1. Next question, number 26. K plus 3 equals 8. Then k minus 2 equal what? We can find the value of k first. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then k equal 5. And then put 5 here. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then the result, it will be 3. Question 27. 5 plus 3 power 2 minus 2. It will be 5 plus 3 power 2, 9. 9 minus 2, it will be 7. 7 plus 5 equal 12. The result will be equal 12. Okay, then the result will be 12. Next question 28. Question 28. The inequality that represents the number line. Okay, 28 up. The result of the expression. We have 3 times 2 power 2 divided by 6 plus 3. We can write 3 product by 2 power 2, 4 divided by 6 plus 3. 3 times 4, 12. Parentheses first, exponent next. Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side. First come, first serve. Then 12 divided by 6 plus 3. 12 divided by 6, it will be 2. 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Next question, number 29. The inequality that represents the number line here, x less than or equal to 3, because we have 3 to infinity in the number line. Okay, we could write this solution x less than or equal to 3 and integers. If you the result in integers, you can write x less than 4. But he, in this example, get us this information about inequality only. Okay, equality from less 3 to negative infinity. X less than equal to 3. Question 30. 5 power 3 is unique 5 by 5 by 5. The result will be 125. Question number 31. 2 and space satisfies the equation y equal half x plus 2. Then the value of y equal, put x equal to here in half product by 2 plus 2. Half of 2, 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then the value of y here equal 3. Question 32. In the equation y equal 2x plus 1, the ordered pair 2 and a satisfies this equation. We can find the value of a, put x equal to and y equal a. Here, a equal 2 times x. X equal to 2 times 2, 4. Then the value of a, it will be 5. Question 33. The independent variable in the equation, it will be L. L is independent and M dependent. So the result independent L. Question 34. We have order operation. We know parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step. Addition, subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come, first serve. So we have 5 product by the brackets 2 power 3 plus 2 in brackets, subtract by 30 divided by 3. We can write 5 product by 2 power 3 equal 8 plus 2 subtract by 30 divided by 3. Write 5 product by 8 plus 2, 10 minus 30 divided by 3, it will be 10. And then 5 times 10, it will be 50. Subtract by 10, the result will be 40. Next question, 35. In equation y equal 6x plus 4, if x equals 3 at x equals 3, then we can find the value of y. Put x here equal 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. 18 plus 4, it will be 22. Since the value of y equal 22. Question 36. If y over 3 equals 7, the value of y equal 21, because 21 divided by 3, it will be 7. Last question, about question number 2. Is an inequality that represented by the opposite number line in the set of figures here, x less than or equal to x less than, question 37, x less than or equal to 1. Okay, or we can write in integers, we can write x less than 2. Thirty-four. 5 produced by 2 power 3 plus 2 in brackets minus 30 divided by 3. Balances first, write 5 outside. 2 power 3, it will be 8 plus 2, subtract by 30 divided by 3 equal 10. 5 product 8 plus 2 equal 10 minus 10. 5 times 10 will be 50 minus 10, the result will be 40. So difference between two numbers. Next question 35. In the equation y equals 6x plus 4, and if x equals 3, we can find the value of this equation. Put x equal 3 here, then value equal y equal 6 product by 3 plus 4. 3 times 6 equal 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 equal 22. Next question 36. If y over 3 equals 7, then the value of y equal 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Next question. Inequality represent x less than or equal to 1 or x less than 2. Question number 3. Evaluate the expression when x equal 1. We have 6 plus 8 product by negative 3. Right, 6 plus 8 times negative 3, or sorry, here 8x minus 1 minus 3 at x was equal 1. Put x equal 1 here. 8 times 1, it will be 8. Subtract by 3. Then we can write 6 plus 8 minus 3 will be 5. 6 plus 5 equal 11. Next question. Number 2. Check is the following expression are equivalent or not. First expression 2 plus 8x, and second expression was equal 3 plus 2 product by x plus 4 in the brackets. Put here at x equal 1 and x equal 2. Put x equal 1 here. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2 equal 10. Put 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus times 2 equal 10, 10 plus 3 equals 15. And put 2 here, then it will be not equivalent. Put x equal to 2 times 8, 16, plus 2 equal 18. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3 equal 15. So it will be not equivalent. Next example, number 3. Sam wants to pay some shoe. If the price of one shoe is 150 Egyptian lira or pounds, and he has discount which are worth 50 pounds from the value of all purchases. He has discount above the total. Write down the algebraic expression that represents the situation. How many pounds does Sam pay when paying 3 shoes? Equals output. He paid 3 shirts, as the number here, wants to pay some shoes, and the pay of each one 150, and discount 50%. pounds from the value of the purchase. What is the algebraic expression that represents the distribution? How many does Sam want to pay 3 shoes? Okay, we can write 3x subtract y. The discount here was 50. And then the price of one shoe equal 150. But x equal 150. Then the total money y will be equal, right? X here, the price of one shoe equal 150. He put 3 shoe and the price of each one 150. And he will get the discount 50 Egyptian lira. Then put x equal 150, then 3 product by 150 minus 50. We can find the total money. 3 times 150, it will be 450. Subtract 50, then the total will be 400 pounds. The total money will be 400 pounds. Question number 4. Solve the following equation. Star E. We have 9 plus y equals 16. Then the value of y will be 7. Because 7 plus 9 equals 16. Now letter B. We have 5t equal 20. We can divide it by 5. Then the value of t equal 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Next question number 5. Find four possible solution for the equality x greater than or equal to negative 2. We can write solution about this. We can write negative 2, negative 1, and 0. So x will be negative 2, negative 1, or negative 1, or 0. We have 3 solutions about this equality. You won't find in the integer numbers. Okay. Next question. Evaluate the expression number 6. We have 16 divided by 10x minus 3 at x equals 0.5. Put x equals 0.5 here. Result 16 divided by 10 by x. The value of x is 0.5, 10 divided by 0.5. Minus, we can write 16 divided by 10 divided by 0.5, it will be 5. And subtract by 3. And then 16 divided by 5 minus 3, it will be 2. 16 divided by 2, the result will be 8. Question 7. Complete table according to x to find the output. Okay. Put x equals 0 in this equation. We have y equals 3x plus 2. We have here x and y. Put x equals 0, 2, 4, and 6. Put 0 here, 3x plus 2. Y equals 3x plus 2. Put x equals 0, 3 times 0, 0 plus 2, it will be 2. 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2 equals 16. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Next question, number 8. Volume cube of each length 5 centimeter. It will be what? The volume, it will be 5 product by 5 product by 5. It will be 125 cubic centimeter. Next question, number 9. Find the value of the numerical expression 5 product by 2 power 2. Subtract by 9, subtract by 6 plus 3. Write 5 product by 2 by 2, 4. And then 9 minus 6 plus 3 to be 9. 5 times 4, 20. 9 minus 1 is 0. Then the result will be 20 minus 0 to be 20. Question number 10. Yusuf wants to pay some meals. The price of one meal is 100 pounds. And 15 pounds for 82 is the total price as the cost. The delivery. Okay, we have 10 or 15 constant. Okay, it's for the delivery. Okay, $15 for delivery. Are added to the total price, the cost of the price, in numbered meals. Okay, we can write y here equal and 15 is a constant because the delivery will get £15 for you. And the price of each one meal £100. We can write here x refers to the number of meals. Number of meals x. Okay, he paying 3 meals. Then the equation y equals 3x plus 15. And then put the value of x here. It will be 100. It is the 100 here. Pounds. The price of one meal. The total will be y equals 3x. It means 3 product by the value of x 100. 3 product by 100 plus 15. Since the value of y equal, we can write the difference result here. 3 times 100, 300 plus 15. Then the total will be 315. 315 pounds. Next question. Put the numerical estimation in simplest form. We have 5 plus 3 times 3 power 2 subtract by 5. Write 5 plus 3 product 3 power 2 9 minus 5. Write 5 plus 3 times 9, it will be 27. Subtract by 5. We can write 5 minus 5 0. 0 plus 27, it will be 27. Next question number 12. Y subtract by 0.2 equal 0.8. We can find the value of y by 8. 0.8 to the number here, change the sign to be 0.2, then the value y it will be 1. Right here 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 0 equal 1, then the result will be 1. Y it will be 1. Next question 13. Marwan read at least 5 boxes. At least. This number 1 may be read how many boxes? At least 5 boxes. Then we can write read 5 boxes. He may read 5, 6 or 7 boxes. Was he asked about? He read how many boxes? At least 5. So we can write x less than or greater than or equal to 5. In the solution here, you can write he may read 5, 6 or 7 boxes. Okay, here maybe read. He write here may be read 5, 6 or 7 boxes. Write this word 5 the solution 5, 6 or 7 boxes. Next question, write 3 possible solution of the inequality x or y. We have here y greater than 12. We can write first solution, we can write 13 or 14 or 15. Okay. Next question, number 15, complete the following table. Y equal here, y equal x plus 1. We can write the table. We have x and y in the order x and y. 0, 1, 2, put x equals 0, 0 plus 1, it will be 1, then the order 0, 1. Put x equal 1, 1 plus 1, 2, then the order 1 and 2. Result here 2, write 2 here, and the order 1 and 2. Put x equal to 2 plus 1, 3, the order will be 2 and 3. Then we have 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. And then we can draw vertical and horizontal. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. we can draw the line, segment, or straight line. Question 16. The price of piece of shoes is £5. The number of pieces is X. Then we can write the total will be Y equal, he give us X reverse to the number of pieces. And the price of a piece of 5 sweets is £5. As the equation that represents relation between X and Y. We can write here X. The price of sweet is £5 and the number of pieces X. Then we can write Y equal 5X. Okay, if we put in this example one piece, put X equal 1. We want to find the relation between Y and X, then Y equal 5X. Understood? Because Y is the total and the price of each one will be 5 and X is the number of pieces. Raise the number, product the price of each one equals the total. Next example, question 17. The price of each book is £50 and the price of X book is Y. The relation between Y and X will give us the price of each book 50. Then the number of boxes is what? The price of X box is Y. Right, here is the price, is total equal 50X. Okay, the price of X box, the number of boxes X. Then Y equal 50X. X here 50 is the price of each one and X is the number of boxes. Dependent variable, in this example, dependent, it will be what? The dependent here, it will be Y, and the independent, it will be X. Right here, it's a space Y, and here X. Dependent and independent. Question 18. Solve the equation 7 plus Z equals 17.8. We can find the value of Z equals 17.8 subtract by 7. Then the difference between them, it will be 10.8. Question number 20. Evaluate here 14 divided by n plus 5 power 2 at n equal to. Then we can write 14 divided by 2 plus 2 power 2. 5 power 2. We can find the result here. 14 divided by 2, 7, and 5 power 2, 25. 25 plus 7, it will be 32. Next question. 20. Solve the equation x plus 1 equal negative 3, then the value of x equal, right, negative 3 minus 1, then the value will be negative 4. Next question, number 21. Complete this table. We have x and y equal to x plus 1, put x equals 0, 2 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1. Put x equal to 1, 1 times 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Put x equals 3, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Put x equal 5, 2 times 5, 10 plus 1 equal 11. Okay, it's last question.